Hi, I'm Amy Wagers, and together with Sol Valeda and Salvador Aznar-Beneta, we're very excited to be organizing the upcoming Molecular Basis of Healthy Aging Keystone Conference in March of 2023. Sol, Salva, and I were very excited to put this program together to bring together really an interdisciplinary focus on the aging mechanisms that occur in different organ systems and how the crosstalk between those organ systems and the environment actually can influence the trajectories of aging. I anticipate there will be a lot of new directions and a lot of new exciting discoveries. One of the areas we really wanted to highlight in this meeting is the opportunity provided by emerging data sciences and computational biology approaches to understanding trajectories of aging and aging mechanisms. And so we hope that this will actually catalyze interactions among data scientists and wet lab biologists that will open up new avenues for exploring why we age and how we can do so more gracefully. I always love to hear at these meetings about new ideas, new conceptual frameworks for how we might put together the very complex biology of aging and the lenses through which we might pull it apart into its components so that we can model it. I expect that by having such a diversity of scientists and researchers from all over the globe, from all over the different disciplines that feed into this field, that we will find many of these intersections and interstices where we can exploit those common interests in new directions. My hopes and aspirations for this meeting really are to bring together a group of enthusiastic and excited scientists who haven't been together for enough time over the past few years, that we can sort of rekindle that momentum in the field and that we can start new collaborations through this interaction, that we can come up with new models to be tested and new ideas for therapies. One other really exciting aspect, I think, of our meeting is that we want to talk about the mechanisms that lead to aging, but also how that understanding leads us to new geroprotective agent strategies that we could actually utilize to improve function in older individuals. And that's a key component that weaves its way through the entire meeting. I think another really unique and exciting aspect of this meeting is that it'll be co-located with another Keystone Conference, mitochondrial dysfunction from ultra-rare diseases to aging, and we'll have several joint sessions. And so this will really provide the opportunity for interaction among mitochondrial biologists and scientists, mitochondria being an incredibly important facet of aging that really drives some of the dysfunction and are a target for therapy in age-related disorders. And so we are hoping that the interaction of these two groups actually will, again, create opportunities for new avenues of research. So the program in our conference is really quite broad. There are a number of different disease entities that will be represented, from dysfunction of the metabolic system, dysfunction of the muscle system, dysfunction of the blood system. In terms of new tools and technologies, some that we wanted to highlight in this meeting include data sciences and computational approaches to understanding the wealth of information we're accumulating in the aging biology field. We're also going to be highlighting some new tools for genomic and epigenomic interrogation of the processes that underwrite aging. I think everyone should attend this meeting. I think aging is a biological phenomenon we can all understand, we can all connect with, and the biological mechanisms that will be discussed are really very cross-cutting.